My name is Firoz Khan, and you know me very well. I have been associated with many institutions, and this time I have been associated with the Feedback IS. This is a very important platform for all those who wants to learn the basics of answer writing skills. As I have designed a product on this platform that is specifically designed for all those who haven't any idea about the answer writing. This is a very psychological thing. Whenever you do not start something, you have inertia what you exactly doing existingly. This is something which resists you in taking actions. When you do not take actions, your confidence, your self-esteem gets down. It declines. So what is the important thing for answer writing? What are the various processes for the answer writing? All have been designed specifically to target those who haven't any up to till they don't have any idea about the answer writing, but they have started the preparation. This product basically targets everybody, whether you are have consolidated your UPSC syllabus or any other state PCS examination. If you have consolidated the syllabus, you might be missing on the count of answer writing skills, because it is not something which you get as inborn characteristics. This is something an art. You know what is art? Art is something which can be acquired. Anybody can acquire it. Art is something which needs an effort, needs a start. Art is something which expresses what you carry inside. So when you write, you express what you actually carrying. You might be carrying morals, ethical principles, good things. You might be having various ideas. But if you do not know how to express those ideas, those expressions, if you don't have expressions to express those ideas, those informations, whatever you are carrying, so that doesn't make sense for the examiner, because examiner will read your answers only. The examiner come to know about you, that what you are carrying, what are you carrying through your writing skills, through your writing, through your write-up, through your the excerpt which is designed by you, which is driven by the ideas or the information that you are carrying. But a lot of students have this information. So what is something which is differentiating you from the others? If you are having the same information, the others also having the same information, but you are not able to compete with the others. So it might be possible that it is not only that you have all the information, there are other factors which are very important for to bring competitive attitude, bring competitive nature, bring competition in your preparation. That is why I have at Feedback IS platform, which has the motto of feedback, learning, growth. I have designed a very specific and target oriented programs for everybody. Anybody can join. The fresher that who is preparing for the civil services or various state services examinations, and all those who have consolidated the syllabus and now they are preparing for the examinations or preparing for the competition. So what is exactly preparation? The preparation is something of nature competition. That if you are getting information only and not becoming competitive, it means that you are out of the race. So to be in the race, you need programs, structured programs. You need structured information. You need structured skills, so that you can use those skills to process the information. Because UPSC or various other state PCS examinations won't ask questions directly, just like what is rain. Such questions will never be asked. There will always be analysis. So you have to identify the demand of the question. You have to identify the various important aspects of the questions. Then only you can structure your answer, organize your answer. So at Feedback IS, my name is Firoz Khan. Firoz Khan, I'm the product director and the manager or the designer of the product that is called Art of Answer Writing. Let me introduce this product to you. That is Art of Answer Writing. I have labeled it as virtuous cycle of civil services examinations. Why it is virtuous cycles? Because when you get feedback, through feedback you learn something. When you learn something, it means that you are able to use the concepts very objectively, very targeted, and only then you will see the growth in the competition. Because ultimately the ultimate objective of your preparation is to make you a competitive body, a competitive entity. So this is the structured program designed and integrated with lots of features. Let me introduce about this program, that is Art of Answer Writing. Feedback IS is a very new initiative of those who have been working in this field for many years. I have been associated with number of institutions in the market. I have worked with Khan Study Group, Wajiram. I have worked with Lukman. I have worked with Next IS. Lot of institutions have been I have been going through various processes, various products. I have come to know that all those products, they are also doing good on their part, but this is something very different from all these programs have been done by the big institutions. This is very important programs for the civil services examinations, where you see that subjective answer writing is the main component. What is actually feedback? Feedback is something, there is an expert. An expert identifies that what are the mistakes. By identifying those mistakes and working upon those mistakes, if you do not work on those mistakes, you see that you repeat those mistakes. But at Feedback IS, what is the important feature, the characteristics of the program is that you identify the mistakes and you do not repeat those mistakes because there is always a mentor available to you. That is, for answer writing, I will be available for all those aspirants or the candidates or who are preparing for the civil services examination. This program is for all the examinations, state and the UPSC examinations, where you see that where you will find that it is subjectively answered, right? So all efforts are towards improving the skills of answer writings for the subjective answer writing. Feedback and examinations both are very much related, both are integrated. Examination is something of competitive nature, the UPSC and the state PCS examination. So what is important? That you need a mentor, you need a teacher, you need an expert who can identify your mistakes and find out those mistakes and suggest you ways to overcome those mistakes, right? So this is something very important part of the Art of Answer Writing programs, where you see that feedback and examinations both are integrated processes. Because feedback ensures that you find your mistakes. Because answer writing is very skilled part. It is an art. It can be learned over a period of time. You might get demotivated if you continuously write for months. So in that process, what is important that you always get the support of expert or the mentor, so that you always get motivated, because the mentor not only helps you in making you understand about the concepts, not only about identifying your errors or the issues in your answer writing, but the mentor also helps you in identifying the loopholes and suggesting you many ways to overcome those. They also help you in clarifying the concepts, right? Feedback, you will always feel that you are right and does no wrong. When you start preparing examinations, there is a tendency in everybody that when you start, you find yourself that I'm the only one on this planet who has all the knowledge, who has all the skills. I will crack these exams in first goal. This is actually overconfidence. You must not test your knowledge, you must not test your information through your psychological part. You must test your knowledge through the practical part. This is where the program helps all those in identifying those mistakes and helping you in differentiating your psychological thing and the practical thing. Feedback is something differentiating your psychological understanding and your practical understanding. It fills the gap because you think that you are the best in the world, but when you write, you find that there are a lot of problems. I have seen that in my 12 years of experience in UPSC examination preparations. I have seen that a lot of students who have come from very poor backgrounds or very poor academic backgrounds, they have excelled it because they always got the feedback. This is the something which made them different from the others. In the previous UPSC examination, in the final result, we found that there was a shepherd from the Maharashtra. He was a shepherd, and he used to study while also working in their garden and managing all the goats. So this was actually how it was made possible that he got selected. There was self-motivation. Yes, obviously, there was self-motivation. But what was important? The person was associated with the experts, the mentors. There was always somebody who found the problems in him and also guided him towards the targeted goals. So this is something very important part of the programs where the feedback becomes essential and significant because it ensures that there is no gap between your psychological understanding of the answer writing or the subject or the examinations and what actually the practical part of it is. Because practicality will reflect that where do you stand in competition, right? So feedback IAS growth, every program on the feedback IAS growth. Today I'm specifically talking about art of answer writing. We have this major theme. This is our major theme of every program. The feedback, learning, growth. This is a cycle. This is a cycle and a very important process of any examination in the world, right? So this is the stage of formation of ideas in the form of concepts. You know, feedback is something which gives you or exposes you to the important ideas which you might be missing. While writing your answer, you might find that I may not be exposed to particular skills which is required for the particular question. Let me take an example for an example. That is that comment. Normally what happens, what we do, we make our opinions. We make our opinions, but we do not substantiate them. So substantiating with the help of examples in examining all the points which you mentioned in the comment is very essential and important component of the comment command word, which is you might be seeing those command words in UPSC or the state PCS examinations because you have demand of the question. But how to answer that demand of the question shall be understood with the help of the commands. But command has its own structure, that how you will organize the points. This is not something that you, if in the question you see that what is your opinion, so you will do the same thing which is you doing in the comment. So because in the comment also you do the opinion, you make your opinion. So both are different command words. This can be improved with the help of feedback, which will be given by the expert, which will be associated with the programs throughout the programs, even after the program as well. You see, Feedback IAS platform has given you the opportunity to go through this process for every major examination, UPSC or the state PCS examination. This process requires an effort from the side of the mentor, requires an effort from the side of the student. So what is the important part for the students? Why it is significant for the aspirants? Because when you get the feedback, you see that you learn, you observe your mistakes and you learn from those mistakes. Now the mistakes have been understood. Now what is the way forward? The mentor will be guiding you that this learning can be addressed through this way, this process. For example, in the command word comment, the mentor will provide you the understanding that how to structure the point in that sense, how to structure the point according to the command word comment. Now learning is the next stage of the concepts. Once you got the exposure to the ideas which have been the process of feedback, now you see that you will start using those concepts. Once you exposed to all the fundamental skills, now you will be start using them. It is not only at this stage of the preparation that you will be finding mistakes, you will be also finding mistakes at this level. Here, building of the concepts, building of the ideas is very important, which can be exposed through the feedback. Here, at this stage, you will see that you will be using the concepts and use of concepts will be identified. That is another mistake. Once you use the concepts in a very proper way, appropriate way, you will see that you are becoming competitive in nature. The ultimate objective of the UPSC or the various state PCS examination is to make you competitive. Competition is the ultimate goal of any aspirants. But throughout the process, what we see that we start learning, we start acquiring knowledge, we are gathering information, lot of knowledge, but we never see that are we able to expose to the right skills or the concepts? Are we using the concepts or the skills in appropriate way? Are we becoming competitive? We are missing on that count. And this is the reason why a lot of students are out of competition throughout the year. But who are successful? They are working on these three dimensions. This is very important feature of the program, that is art of answer writing. We must understand that art of answer writing helps students in identifying the mistakes and then using those concepts which you have built through the mistakes. Now you will see that you are becoming competitive. The continuous learning makes you a competitor. That is why we say that the answer writing is art. You cannot learn it in 1 day, 2 day, 3 day. It is a process of months. It is a process of months. If you want to make yourself competitor, you have to go through the process of feedback, learning, growth. You cannot say that you have become competitor in 1 night or 2 nights. This is actually very important to have this understanding in the mind that the competition is rising. And the competition is rising because students or the aspirants are getting a lot of feedbacks. They are getting feedback in use of concepts. This is the way of learning. This is how the artificial intelligence works. It improves itself through the process of feedback. Feedback is important pedagogical technique which is used throughout the history of the mankind. If you take example from the Vedic times, we see that the process of feedback was given by the Guru. Shishya was connected to the Guru, and Shishya was always present before the Guru and always recite the mantras and in front of the Guru, where the Guru identifies that you have this mistakes, you are not exposed to this mistake, do this in this way. When you learn the holistic aspects of a particular concept, then you see that, or the skills, then you see that you start learning, you start using those concepts. In using of those concepts also there is problem. When you have the developed understanding that how to use the concepts appropriately, you say that your learning becomes more effective. And thereby, when you follow this process, feedback and learning continuously over a period of time, you are seeing the growth in your competition, that you are becoming competitive. That is the nature of major examinations. If you take any other non-civil services examinations, the private examinations like CAT, JEE Mains, NEET exam, they are also of this same nature. We have to understand this process and we have to go through this process if we want to become competitive in nature. The competition is the only and the ultimate goal of every aspirant or any student who aspires to be a civil servant or any other profession. This is the ultimate tool for success. This has been repetitively said by the Mahatma Gandhi ji that you have to take learning, you have to take feedback if you want to grow. So this is very important that Feedback IS Growth has come up with this process, that is feedback learning growth, which have been the result of many years. It is not overnight, it is not 1 month, it is not 1 year. We have been working for more than 12 years only in the field of development of concepts. We have been working in the field of answer writing development skills in ethics paper, in essay paper, and in GS paper. So answer writing will help you. This product will help you to go through this process of feedback, learning, growth, and make you competitor. I hope that you will never back down on this. You will never see that this product will get you back down. It is something very significant for every aspirant, every candidate, that you see that you are becoming competitive in nature. Competition is something which is very important because everybody has talent, everybody has skills, but what becomes important, that are you becoming competitive or not, right? So I see that this has been a very important discussion. If I see that what I have written, that feedback and learning, continuous learning, this increasing competitive nature is what is termed as growth, the ultimate goal. Every action, every start must result in certain positive results. If you want to see that your preparation see a positive result, that you get entry into the civil services, you should go through this process. It is not about us only, it is wherever you are, whatever you do. If you are doing self-study, in that process you can buy our product and help yourself in developing the concepts of answer writing skills, which will also help you in developing your understanding about the subjects, right? So I hope you understood this part of discussions on the product art of answer writing, and I expect that you take some time to realize this, that why this process is very important for any aspirant. Thank you very much.